This is our campaign vehicle. We possess two such carriages for many years. As you see, it has official license plate and can be parked everywhere at a street side where cars are parked. We park them alternatively in different parts of the city to catch attention of the pedestrians for our cause. Now, our campaign is boycott of the Beijing Olympics. The banner calls for boycott of the next year's Winter Olympics in Beijing. As you see, there are signs of Uyghur, Tibetan, Mongol, Manchurian, and Hong Kong peoples on the banner. So it is a joint project. Together we are stronger. It will be parked in a given place for 1 or 2 weeks. Then I must move it to another street. Accordingly, I will be parking it in different parts of the city in coming months. Hope we all together with our joint action will be able to stop the Olympic Games from taking place in China, whose government is committing crimes against humanity.